Let's make a syrup. This is a natural way to make a very good and healthy syrup. Okay, this syrup is very powerful and it comes with a lot of health benefits that will help treat cough, flu, influenza, sinusitis. Okay, this is a very good and powerful syrup. All you need is 7 medium lemons. You don't need to add water to it, and 15 cloves of garlic. Okay, just add the garlic into the blender and add the lemon juice to it. Then cover and blend. So after blending, you have to sieve it. So this is what I got. Just garlic and lemon juice. Do not add water to it. Then I'll be adding it into the pot. So I'm going to heat it up for like 10 minutes on a very low heat. Okay. Make sure you stir and remove the pulps. So I'll be adding, after 15 minutes, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of honey, organic honey to it. So you have to mix it very well to combine well. This remedy, you have to take only 2 tablespoons 3 times daily. This is very powerful. Don't take more than 2 tablespoons. Then add it into the jar. Do not cover it. Leave it until it cools down completely before you cover.